So you just set up your new Tangem wallet only to realize you skipped the step where you create a seed phrase. And now you're wondering, can I go back and fix this, or do I have to buy a completely new Tangem wallet? The good news is you can go back and add a seed phrase without having to buy a new wallet. The bad news is, if you do this wrong, you'll lose all of your crypto. But don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add a seed phrase to your current Tangem cards, even if they're currently set up without a seed phrase. So step number one is to ensure that you have the right Tangem cards. The old 1.0 version cards that look like this do not allow you to set up a seed phrase. You need the new and improved 2.0 cards. If you recently bought your Tangem wallet, then it's likely that you have the new 2.0 version. That said, if you have the old 1.0 version cards and you need the new 2.0 cards that allow you to set up a seed phrase, you can use my discount code CyberSkrilla to get 10% off your entire order. So after confirming that you have the correct 2.0 cards, step number 2 is the most important step out of this entire process, and that is to transfer your crypto either to an exchange or to a different wallet temporarily before moving on to step number 3. If you don't move your crypto off of your current seedless Tangem wallet and you move on to step number 3, then you're going to lose all of your crypto. So it's crucial that you don't skip this step, because you're essentially erasing your current Tangem wallet and we're going to create a new one. That said, if you don't have any crypto on your current Tangem wallet, then you don't need to worry about this step. And that brings us to step number 3, factory resetting all of your Tangem cards. By factory resetting your cards, you're basically erasing everything off of the cards, and now they're brand new again. So for this step, make sure you have all of your Tangem cards as well as the phone where your Tangem wallet is set up on. All right, to factory reset your Tangem wallet, first you want to open the Tangem app, and then tap the 3 little dots in the upper right hand corner. And from there, select the wallet that you want to factory reset. I only have one wallet in my app, so I'll tap this wallet. Then just tap device settings, and then tap scan ring or card, and scan any one of the cards. Then you can see down here at the bottom of the screen, it says reset to factory settings. So we're going to go ahead and tap this button, and then make sure to read this important message. It basically just says it will completely delete the wallet from the selected card or ring, and you will not be able to restore the current wallet or use the card or ring to recover your access code. And then just tap these 2 little dots to confirm, and then tap reset card. And then tap reset. And now we're going to scan each card individually. So I'm going to scan the first card, and it doesn't matter what order you do this in. And you'll need to enter your access code to continue with this, and then scan that same card again. And there we go. That first card is reset, and now it's asking if you want to reset the rest of your cards. So go ahead and tap reset, and then pick up another one of your cards and scan that one. And again, you're going to have to enter the access code for each card that you're resetting. And then scan that same card again. And because I have the 3 card set, I'm going to do this with all 3 of my cards. If you only have the 2 card set, then you would do it with just 2 of your cards. Or if you have the ring, you would obviously do it with the ring as well. Scan the last card, and then you'll get a message saying all Tangem devices in the selected wallet have been reset to factory settings. You can now create a new wallet. Go ahead and tap OK. All right, so step number 4 is super important, because this is where you miss setting up a seed phrase the first time you set up your wallet, so pay close attention. So now we just need to set up our cards again. So we're going to go ahead, open up the Tangem app, and just like the first time, tap scan Tangem, and then tap any of your cards to start the process. And this time, don't tap create wallet. We want to go to other options, and then generate seed phrase if you're creating a new seed phrase, or import wallet if you already have a seed phrase that you want to import. For this example, I'm going to generate a new seed phrase, and you can choose between a 12 or a 24 word seed phrase. For the sake of this video, I'm going to do a 12-word seed phrase and tap continue. Then just enter the seed phrases you see on the screen, so the 2nd, 7th, and 11th word to confirm that you wrote down your seed phrase correctly. So I'm going to type in rural, and then the 7th word is cash, and the 11th word is angry. and then tap Create Wallet, and scan the same card that you originally scanned. And there we go. Now you want to add your backup card. So if you have the 2-pack, you'll have 1 backup. If you have the 3-pack, you'll have 2 other cards that you're going to add. So I'm just going to scan all of my cards. Tap the 3rd card here. And now all my cards have been added. And then we're going to tap to finalize the backup. So first we need to create our access code. Make sure that it's super secure. Don't use password like I'm doing here. Okay. And then we need to scan the cards again. So the first card that we're going to scan is the primary card, which is the first one that you use during the setup process. And then we're just going to do this with each one of our cards. So for me, I'm going to scan all 3 of my cards to finalize the backup. Now I'll scan the second card. And lastly, I'll scan the 3rd card. And now our wallet is created with the seed phrase. Here you can add any tokens that you want to manage, or you can do it later by tapping later. And then just tap continue to my wallet, and your seed phrase wallet is officially set up. Now, of course, if you have any crypto that you transfer off of your original Tangem wallet while you did this process, make sure to transfer that crypto back to your new seed phrase Tangem wallet, and you're all set. Now, one super important note, just because you're using a cold wallet does not mean that you're completely immune to scams or that your crypto is completely safe. You have to know how to use your cold wallet correctly. So in this next video, I break down 7 crucial crypto security tips that you need to know, otherwise your crypto could be at risk. Make sure to check that out. I'll see you over there. God bless.